what we're doing today.
What?
We're going to make Valentine's Day Suncatchers. You know what that is? That is a decoration to go in the window, and you're going to make it with a heart that you've got right there, and some clear paper, and some tissue paper. You ready to get started?
You want like...
Yeah, take that, fold it in half. No, the big piece of construction paper like Jamie's doing. Yeah, you want to fold it from corner to corner. Jamie, did you get yours folded in half? Okay, why don't you help Ilea with hers? And then what you're going to do is you're going to put your heart down and trace it. Line it up on the fold. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that your heart shape cutout that I gave to you is on the seam, and then you want to trace around it and make another one. And then when you have it traced out, you'll take a pair of scissors and you'll cut around it.
Is this good?
I think so. And then remember, you also want to trace the inside. Okay, so Ilea, do you see what Jamie did? And you did the outer part and the inner part?
Yeah.
No, show it up like that, yeah. And then what you want to do is you want to cut around the outer part and around the inner part and make yourself another heart. And you can have two different sun catchers.
Okay. I'm trying.
Okay. Jamie, you gonna try to get the middle part there done? Okay.
Is this good?
It is, and you have to cut the inner part too. So that it should look just like the one that I gave you.
Working on that too.
Mm-hmm.
You want to make sure not to get this bit so you don't actually mess up.
Yeah, and you want to try to make sure you don't mess up. You want to just make sure it looks like a heart when you open it up, but it's just the frame of the heart. Because we're going to fill the heart with pretty colored tissue paper.
But this one is going to be colored in. We need this bit, right?
Yeah, that's right. You need the outer part, which is a frame.
Can I open it up now?
Yeah, let's see what it looks like, guys.
Mine looks exactly like a heart. But
That's great.
Mine looks like one, but two, but without the points.
That's okay. You don't need the point. So, okay, so what I want you to do is to take the white paper there, because there's actually a clear backing on it. And we just want the clear backing. We don't want the white paper.
Do you mean like this?
Yes. You want to separate it at the corner.
Can I peel this?
Yes, you can. And then put it down, put the clear paper down with the sticky side facing up on the table. Yes, it is. And then what I want you to do is try to place the heart in the middle of it so that the heart is fully inside the square or the rectangle there. Put it down so that the sticky part is facing up. Be careful now. Once you put it down, it's really hard to change it, so try to get it exactly where you want it. And then you're gonna, once you have it where you want it, you're gonna press it in a little bit so that it stays on the paper.
What is this for?
Those are the tissue paper packets. Now what you're gonna do is open those up, and you're gonna take the tissues, the colors that you want, and you're going to put whichever pattern you want to make on the inside.
Oh, you mean like this bit?
Yes, the sticky part. And the tissue will stick to the sticky, clear backing. Jamie, have you got your paper ready to go, your clear backing?
There's a lot of different packets, which means we get to choose a lot of different colors, right?
That's right. Jamie, did you manage to get your heart onto the sticky paper?
I really think that pink and purple could be a really good Valentine color.
What?
I really think that pink and purple are really good at Valentine's Day.
Yeah, those are really nice colors for Valentine's Day.
And also red.
Red.
And white.
And white. But you can make it multicolored if you want to. The outside is red and it's clearly a heart, so that's enough. And you can decide whatever colors you want. Jamie D, have you got it down? Is it down okay?
It's okay down.
When you're done putting your tissue paper down, then you want to put another layer of clear contact paper.
Okay.
Can I see what you got? Can I see yours right now? Oh, that's really pretty, Ilea. So are you done, or do you want to add some more into it? You ready to put the top on it?
Yep.
So what you do is you pull back the paper and you want to put the sticky side on top of the tissue paper and then press it flat. Try not to get any bubbles or anything like that. Try to get it as flat as you can. Good job.
So like
Yay! Yeah, just like that. And now for the last step, what you want to do is take your scissors and just cut off the extra contact paper around the edge of the heart. That's right, just like that. Jamie, have you got one ready to go too? Can I see yours? How's yours going?
kind of green.
Ooh, that's pretty too.
Look at my heart.
Ooh, that's really pretty. I like that. Yay! You learned how to do a suncatcher.
Can I do your one?
Yeah, you can. Jamie, are you about done with yours, or are you having some problems with the contact paper?
I forgot what I did first.
Well, what you do first is you're going to need another piece of contact paper.
Okay.
And what you want to do is separate it from the backing and then have the sticky side facing up. And then try to press your heart shape into the contact paper. But fit it so that it fits in.
And also, then we put on the tissue paper. Right?
That's right. That's the second step. Ooh. Light pink is so pretty.
Dark pink is as well.
Mm-hmm.
So many shades of pink.
Yeah. Jamie, how are you doing, honey?
Great.
Can I see your, is that your second creation? You put it up so I can see? Ooh, I like that.
I really like this. Now I can cut this bit out and this bit.
Do you have are you done with that? Are you happy with the colors you've picked for the top there, Leah?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have another extra piece of contact paper to the side there?
Wait, I do.
You want to make sure that the sticky side covers over all of your tissue paper.
This one?
Yeah, that's right. And then you want to cut around the sides.
Why does contact paper have to be so sticky?
Oh, look at that. You accidentally stuck them both together. Oops. Unless you wanted to be like that. That would be cute. Can I see yours, Jamie? How's it going? Did you cut the outside? Are you doing that right now?
I'm just gonna keep this bit so I can attach this heart.
Oh, okay.
So it's a double heart.
You want to try to do a double heart? That's a really neat idea.
Like this.
Yeah, that's really cool. I like that.
It could be like a flying heart kite. Although it's made out of tissue paper.
Yeah.
Sticky paper.
Well, you could still just put it in the window. It'd look really pretty. Two hearts together.
So how do we put this on the window?
We're going to get some clear tape.
Ooh, I made a suncatcher.
Ooh, that's really nice.
This is my double suncatcher.
Hey, Jamie, what's that?
It's my suncatcher.
That's really pretty. Can you pull it back just a little bit more so we can see? Yeah, that's really nice. That works really well. Hi, Ilea. What is that?
It's my double one.
It's your double one. That's really pretty. Your double heart?
I added a little blue stripes here. You see them?
Yeah.
They're darkish blue.
Okay.
I like that color.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, guys. Did you have fun for Valentine's Day?
We did. Yes.
Do you like your suncatchers? Awesome. Okay, let's say bye-bye and happy Valentine's Day.
Bye.